Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 731 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And I'm so excited about this because first of all, I love the brand Wander Beauty. I love mascaras, and this has really high ratings, and I've heard so many great things about it, so that makes me so excited to try it out. A little disclaimer that this was sent to me for free by Wander Beauty, but this video is of course going to be all my own thoughts, opinions. This video is not sponsored. They didn't ask me to create this video, but I just really want to show you all this product, show you my thoughts on it. But normally this does retail for $26, and it seriously sounds like my perfect mascara. It says it's a blend of nourishing and conditioning lash loving ingredients, and I'm all about like nourishing my lashes. I wear a lash serum every night. Normally I wear a conditioning lash primer. I'm not wearing one today because I want to see how this mascara performs on its own, but I really like to take care of my lashes. This also says it's jet black, smudge proof, flake proof, water resistant. It's cruelty free, gluten free, mineral oil free, paraben free, phthalate free, and synthetic fragrance free. So it just sounds all around fantastic. So let's check it out. Oh my gosh. Seriously, like, this packaging is incredible. It's so beautiful. It does not look like any other mascara I have ever seen or tried before. I love that it's gold, but I love that it's in this different type of tube. Like, it looks like it would be like an eye cream or something. But no, you pull it out, you've got the wand here. So let me show you the wand. Ooh, I love this type of wand because it's not too big, which means it's easy to apply and you can get very precise. So here's what it looks like. It looks like it has the brush type bristles and it's a straight applicator. So I'm just gonna jump right in and we'll see what kind of difference it does. I also did not curl my lashes. So we'll see if there's any lift and curl to this. But right away, I'm not really seeing lifting and curling. I feel like my lashes are kind of straight out the way they naturally are. But definitely that full black color and no clumping. I got like the tiniest little bit on my eyelid, but other than that, like such a clean application, like not getting any mascara on my eyelid. And the lashes are separated. They're all individually coated. So that's one layer, and as you can see, that's already a beautiful difference. I am going to go ahead and see how this looks on the bottom lashes while I let the top lashes dry a little bit before the next coat. But this mascara wand is exactly what I like for the lower lashes because I need a very small wand for my lower lashes because I don't want to get mascara on my under eye. Yes, and this is so perfect. It grabs all of those lower lashes, makes them very dark, but I'm not getting any mascara on my under eye. So this is a very great lower lash mascara applicator. And now let's see how buildable this is and if I can intensify that length and volume. Ooh yeah, just that one more coat and I'm already seeing some built up volume. Yeah, this is so buildable. I feel like I've doubled the volume of my lashes from that first coat by adding this second coat. Yeah, this is really creating that false lash effect because my lashes are still nice and separated, but they're all getting so volumized. But there's no clumping, no flaking. Wow. Look at that difference. It is amazing. It seriously makes me look like I have so many lashes that are so volumized. They look like they could be falsies. Like, I'm almost speechless by how volumized. Oh my gosh. The only thing that would make this more perfect is if it had more curl and lift to it, but that's easily fixed by just curling my lashes because I do curl my lashes every day anyways because I do have pretty long lashes now, but they don't really curl up. They go pretty straight out. So these lashes are a little bit curled, but not as curled as I would want. But wow, they are definitely as volumized and lengthened and dark as I want. Like, it looks like I have so many lashes. I'm like so proud of how my lashes are looking. Seriously, I'm so amazed. Mascaras are another product that I am very picky with. I've tried out a lot of mascaras, and this is actually one of the best that I think I've ever tried because it's really important to me that the lashes don't stick together too much and that they stay separated, individually coated, because I feel like that's what gives the look of really full, falsy effect lashes, and this mascara absolutely does that. And you really only need just 2 coats. Doesn't take long at all to layer it up to that full, voluminous, lengthened effect. Like on this eye, I'm just continually going over it until I get it as volumized as possible and as volumized as I want it to be. And still, like, the lashes are not sticking together, not clumping. They're staying so full and individually coated. I feel like I could actually just like sit here for so long, being mesmerized, combing through my lashes at just like how incredible these look and how not real my lashes look. Okay, I need to like make myself stop. But that's like amazing. For some reason I feel like this eye has a lot more curl and lift to it than this eye. Maybe that's just how my lashes naturally are. But this one's actually pretty lifted. I don't really know why that happened, but I love this mascara wand too. Like, so quick and easy to get those lower lashes. And on this eye, like, no mascara got on the eyelid. So this actually is perfect. As I said that, I like blinked a little too hard before the mascara could dry and got it on my under eye. But that's so funny. As I was saying, this is perfect, I mess it up. But no, actually, it's still perfect. First of all, beautiful packaging. Second of all, I love the applicator. It does exactly what I want for my lashes. Let me show you like a finished up close, zoomed in view. I can't believe these are my lashes. Like, so lengthened, so volumized, so dark, and so quick and easy to apply, but so fun to apply. But then the fact that it also has these nourishing ingredients for my lashes, like seriously, a perfect mascara. This is a mascara that I want to get for so many people in my life as gifts because it's just so cute, but it's also amazing. And I think anyone that tries out this mascara is going to love it. I really wish I had tried this sooner, but that's okay. Now that I have it, this is a product that I am going to wear every single day, repurchase. This is my perfect mascara, and therefore I need to wear it all the time. Like, this is how I need my lashes to look all the time. Wow. So happy. Makeup makes me so happy. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.